So Potensic is back with the Atom 2. And while this is being pitched as your primary drone, because it's ultra lightweight and one that you can grab to get those high quality aerial shots, with its long battery life, a bunch of AI flight modes, tracking and effect shots, which we'll have a look at on this video, but the main story is their brand new controller. This is the PTD-1 remote control with a built-in screen. So no more fighting with your phone and connections and cable issues, just pure immersive distraction-free flying. So we'll have a deeper look in this controller, but first, let's go ahead and see what this sub 250 gram drone can do.
MrBlack.
And hey, if you like gadgets, gear, and accessories, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because we do that kind of stuff all the time here. Also, flick that like button and YouTube will give you more of this kind of stuff in your feed. I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Potensic did send this drone to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I can take my time, test out all the features, capture some awesome footage, and share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And as with all products on this channel, I'm not trying to convince you to buy anything, but if you are in the market of a drone of this caliber, this might be the perfect option for you. And with the Flymore combo PTD-1, you get a nice sized shoulder bag, and in that you get the Atom 2 drone, the PTD-1 controller, and a bunch of accessories like 3 batteries, a fast charging hub, cords and adapters, spare propellers, and tools to install that if you need to. But here is the Atom 2 itself. It's small and foldable and compact, and best of all, it maintains that sub 250 gram weight, which means no registration required for flying in certain spaces. Also making it friendly to travel abroad without having to declare it. But check this out, this is designed to be instantly beginner friendly. Just power it on and take off. It has a Sony half-inch f1.8 CMOS sensor, which captures really nice 48 megapixel or 8K photos, but also gives you stabilized 4K HDR video. And for creators out there that love to color grade their footage, this offers P-Log color correction, delivering richer color possibilities and greater editing flexibility, which is a huge step for a drone like this. And for those vertical content creators, with just one click, you can be filming vertical videos for your reels or shorts. The flight performance is stable with a level 5 wind resistance. You can see right now it's actually pretty windy here and it's holding up to that. And if you take it up even higher, it's a lot more windy up there and it holds up like there's no wind at all. The batteries give you a max flight time up to 32 minutes, and with its PicSync 4.0 system, it gives you a maximum range of 10 kilometers with a smooth 1080p 30 frames per second real-time feed with an ultra-low 120 millisecond latency. And that transmission is what feeds the new PTD-1 controller, which is just this right here. No more fumbling around with your phone, trying to get it into the right spot, having weird cords that you have to plug into. It feels very substantial, it fits comfortable in your hands, and the controller sticks are perfectly placed, and they're not flimsy or cheap feeling, they're really nice to the touch. It has an integrated screen and beautiful 5.5 inch display with 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it has 700 nits of brightness, meaning that you're gonna be able to see the video on here even if it's bright like it is today. And so that dedicated screen means not using your phone, no more messages popping up, no more calls mid-flight. You don't have to worry about battery life on your phone or reverse charging your phone with the controller. But you still can use your phone and their app to quickly get the video files off of your drone. That way you can share them off on your social media. On the controller itself, you also get the antennas here that pop out really simply. You have a power button, you have a home button so that it will return to home if it gets lost or goes too far out. You have C1 and C2 function buttons on the side. You also can do camera adjustments with these dials here. You can take photos, start and stop recording. This controller also has a large battery, giving you up to 3 hours of continuous flight use. And when you need to top it up, it actually supports 27-watt fast charging, getting up to 90% in just under 90 minutes. Plus, it comes with 32 gigabytes of built-in storage with an expandable micro SD card slot, and that also makes it so you can record your flight from the screen, whether you want that information of your flight on there or not. Now, with this controller giving you complete focus on your flight, you can play with the suite of creative one-tap features like AI quick shots, like rocket, circle, pull away. You can also get some zero gravity shots for stunning Inception style visual effects. The AI track feature has 3 modes: spotlight, follow, and parallel. You can drag a box around the subject that you want to track. This is great for tracking subjects like cyclists or cars or me on this skateboard right here. And those are all great because you can do that within just the tap of the button. That way you can put your controller down if you're like hiking and want to get some epic shots and you don't want to look like you're flying the drone, you can do it that way. And finally, with the AI, you can get really good low light shots. With its new AI and night algorithm, it improves video quality with intelligent noise reduction. Whether it's like, early in the morning before the sun comes up or right as the sun is setting, those shots will look a lot more crisp and clear. So the Atom 2 is an incredibly well-rounded package, but with the PTD 1 controller, it just elevates that so much more. For me, just taking this thing out was very simple and easy to set up, and you feel very much in control of this drone and you get some epic shots. And that right there makes the Atom 2 a strong candidate for your first and primary drone. You can get their PTD1 in either the standard kit or their Flymore combo. And to me, if you want that ultimate distraction-free flying experience, skip your phone as a controller and go straight to this thing right here. There's a lot of really good stuff going on with the system, and it gives you the opportunity to get creative, and that's what I love about it. So check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. And thanks so much for watching today's video. I have a lot of really cool gear to share with you, so do stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time.